How are you doing? It's nice to meet you.
I'm very good.
What's your name?
Lorna.
Lorna.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Where y'all from?
Victoria, BC in
Oh,
Canada.
awesome.
It's my first year.
Is it? Congratulations.
I bought my motorhome and hit the road and I hadn't even driven a truck.
Are you having fun?
I'm having a blast.
That's awesome.
I hadn't even done a hookup till I got to San Francisco.
Where's your rig?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the
So
freedom.
The guy that just left here just told me who you guys all were. So I
so
thought, oh my
cool.
God.
Well, it's really nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
The world is going hazy and I lose my mind. I'm the only one that sticks by my side. When things are going crazy and shit ain't right. Baby, I'm my own ride or die. Through the dark and the sad, people tend to leave. But I'm my own constant and that I believe. When the world is going hazy and I lose my mind, I'm the only one that sticks by my side.
Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We are still in Phoenix, but today is our last day. We're camping here at Cabela's because they're really nice here and they're pretty lenient. So we decided to stay here. We were at the casino for a couple days. But before I leave today, I definitely want to hit up an electronics store. Someone suggested Fry's. She said she suggested it too, but I totally didn't
Doesn't
hear.
listen to me.
I know, I'm sorry, I totally didn't hear, but a commenter suggested it, and I was like, oh yeah, and she said, wait, I said that like a couple days to you. Anyways, that's where we're headed to now.
All expensive shit, now you returning all of it. And I kinda see myself in them. No, I gotta take an L sometimes. Hair getting poked out by the stems. Just know I didn't cross no lines. See them when I close my eyes. Feel weird when a friend's nearby. Conversation really wastes my time. By myself when I lose my mind. Yeah.
When the world is going hazy and I lose my mind, I'm the only one that sticks by my side. When things are going crazy and shit ain't right, baby, I'm my own ride or die. Through the dark and the sad, people tend to leave, but I'm my own constant and that I believe. When the world is going hazy and I lose my mind, I'm the only one that sticks by my side.
2,000 miles until my destination. The screen in front of me displaying all these constellations. I'm on a new vibration. Motivated from these sights, somehow it's correlated. It's all cooperation.
That's weird looking. So you said it's an easy pass?
Easy pass. So when you go in the tolls in the northeast section of the states,
Oh, you don't have to worry about it. It's
Yeah.
just- that's a
they
weird.
removed all the toll
Oh,
takers.
right.
So
But
it's
that's a weird spot for something like that. It seems like it would get in your way.
No, that's so it speeds it.
Right.
Still got a ways to go. 3 more miles. 3.5 miles. Oh, car.
Fry's Electronics. This actually looks familiar. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, cool. They have digital boards with specials. God, look how huge this store is.
That's only half of it.
I know, wow. It just goes on and on. So I just asked and I'm on the wrong end of the store. It is way over there. Oh my God, it just goes on and on and on. Alright, so they don't even carry any on display. They say to prevent theft. And they don't really have a good selection here at all. Nothing that I'd be interested in.
Sony A7S Mark II. I used to have the A7S Mark II and the A7R Mark II. They both shoot 4K. They're great.
Wait,
They're
do
actually
you have
mirror this.
Do you have any of those?
We don't. No, but they're very, very good for the price too. They're only about $2,500 for the body, and then the lens is.
Yeah, because I was just looking at the. I think it was the Alpha, but it was the. I think it was the 6. I can't remember, but it shoots 4K and it was like $1,000.
Okay.
Compared to
63?
2,500. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the ones they have here are old and outdated. Did you find anything?
NOAA radio.
What is that?
like for when.
Oh, weather, right.
But it's also AM/FM. You can crank it for a minute. It gives you 30 minutes.
Right.
Of radio.
That's cool.
Or it's solar powered. It's also
wow.
you charge solar.
Cool. This is a really neat store, but their camera section is lacking. They have all old stuff. Nothing new at all.
They're more like a big Radio Shack on stereo.
Yeah.
Steroids. It's more for computers.
Yeah, it's a cool store. No, they have a lot of. They even have speakers and all that crap. So that's cool. Ooh, they have a 3D printer. That's cool. $1,300.
Navigate to Cabela's.
Alright, well that was definitely an awesome store, but I didn't get anything. I mean, they didn't have what I was looking for. Did they have what you were looking for?
Yeah, Melita filter.
Oh, awesome, cool.
I lost mine. And an electronic shirt.
Way of losing the passion, drank a little more and maybe even gave me some blessings.
World is going hazy and I'm losing my mind. I'm the only one sticking by my side. Things are going crazy and shit ain't right. Baby, in my own
I have a new GoPro remote. That way I could put my GoPro on the front outside and start recording. And it's recording now. So you should see it somewhere around here. Alright, let's get going. I'm gonna actually stop at Fry's. There's another location, but it's further south. I'm gonna see if this store maybe has a better selection, because that happens sometimes. Sometimes you don't get a good selection at certain stores. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. See you later. Bye. Alright, so yeah, let's get on the road. Our destination is about 28 miles. So yeah, that's where we're gonna go. Terry and Scott are following me now, and Dana, Steve, and the kids, and also Danny and Romeo are going to meet us there. Romeo is actually installing something, so yeah, he's gonna meet us after he's done, and we'll just wait there for everybody to catch up and then head on, because that'll be 30 miles out of the way. It's because it's on the way to where we're going to, which is Tucson. Right, which way do I have to go? Where am I at? Where am I at? Where am I at? Oh, okay, so turn this way. It's like heading to the casino.
In 800 feet, turn left onto North 95th Avenue.
Thanks, Beverly. Alright, well, we're gonna get going, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the time lapse, so enjoy. Tunnel! Yay! I love tunnels! I made it here to Fry's. Terry and Scott are filling up on some gas. I actually need to do that afterwards. And we're going to be waiting on everybody else to arrive here, I believe. And then we're going to continue on to Tucson, but I got to go inside and grab some stuff. Hopefully they got what I need. The other Fry's store looked like a medieval castle. This one looks very industrial. I like the other one better. These stores are so huge, but I think the other one was way bigger than this one. Still big though. Oh my god, they have a Canon that actually shoots 4K video, 30 frames per second, so I can't do slow-mo, but that's still pretty cool. Okay, so that is ridiculous. I just found out it is $4,000. No, I'm good. Well, I unfortunately didn't find a camera there that I wanted, but you know what? I am going to Tucson, so I'm sure I'll find something there. I just have to be patient. I did get something though. I got an LED light that goes on the camera, and this is for night shots. That way it's nice and bright, no dark shots. I did have a light that went on top of my camera, but it's not efficient, and this one hooks directly to the camera and runs off of lithium batteries. Also, I got a boom mic. This is going to be better for interviews because I did use this mic, and this omnidirectional mic that I have on the camera right now is a wonderful thing. It picks up sound in all directions. But when I'm doing an interview or a tour, it's best that I use an a one directional, the boom microphone, because it points in one way. That way you don't hear me in the background breathing and stuff, because it does pick up that if I'm really that's why I've been standing away from the camera. So yeah, this should work better for interviews and tours. Awesome sauce, yay. Fortunately, there's a gas station right next door, so I think I'm gonna grab gas there. I don't see any of the tribe anywhere else, so I don't know where everybody is. I guess I can call them and see what's going on, but that's after I get gas. Try to put some fuel stabilizer like every other time that I fill up on gas, and it's been doing well for me. Everybody got here, and by the time we got everything together, I actually had to check my oil. My oil was low because my light came on, so I should have checked that before I left, but I did not, so I did this time. And I just put a quart of oil in, and it's all good. So now I have to, what the heck do I have to do? I don't know what I have to do. Dang it.
I know.
What do you know?
Poop your pants.
Get up here. Get up here so people can see who's talking. Stand up on the ledge.
I know.
What?
We can go and eat.
No, I wasn't saying that. I was saying we need to get back on the road.
I got some. Actually,
Yeah, so we're gonna get on the road.
Can I do something?
We don't always have to eat. Yes, I just ate actually a sandwich. So
Aja
make sure they can see you. So okay.
had to refill her oil, and when we got here it was rush hour.
Yeah, so that's why we're not getting back on the road, because there's too much traffic.
Yeah.
But
Whoa,
but it's starting to clear up now. Hey.
Whoa, man, you just stop pushing me.
Hey, both of y'all, he's just leaning on you. He's not pushing you. Anyways, go ahead.
You just said we're going back on the road.
We are, because it's clearing up. You can see the road right there.
Hello.
I'm gonna need you to get that up out of my face before I have to smack the curls out your hair, girl. Okay, yes, ma'am.
Or we could.
Make sure you're in the shot. There you are. Okay.
Or we could maybe go to the park.
I know, I'd suggested, because there's a city park here, and I had suggested that, but I think your dad's ready to get on the road, and so is Scott and Terry. So we're just gonna get on the road and head to our destination. So we will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out. Hopefully there'll be more adventure, or if there's anything, then we'll definitely stop and show you.
I didn't know y'all were ready.
Yeah, we're ready.
Nobody told me.
Bye. Mwah. So we decided to stop because look it, we found something interesting. There is Picacho's Peak. Isn't that cool? The view here is really beautiful. So this is actually a state park, but it's getting way too late. I just wanted to stop for a quick moment. Parked right here at the visitor center. Would definitely be interesting to hike up that, or actually that would probably be very difficult because it seems really, really tall. The landscape is so beautiful out here. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Come here, Moo-moo, come here. Good, good. Alright, everybody, well, we're going to end the video here. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with us today. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. I love everyone out there. Mwah. Bye from me and Moo-moo. Listen to those silly coyotes.